how to erase iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max or Air. So first let's go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, then tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Erase all content in Settings. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on Erase iPhone. Put in your current screen passcode. Now say uploading iCloud data, you can skip if you wanted to. Then after that, the phone will proceed to erase. Now this process may take some time, so just be patient and wait. It's nearly finished here. Okay, so after that, an Apple logo will appear. Then another progress bar will be shown here. Okay, once it's finished, you should see the hello screen. And from here, you can set up your iPhone again. Thank you for watching this video.